Hello friends, this is Deepika from Nothing Wire and welcome back to another episode of Tech Chats. So in this Valentine week, we have a lot of mobiles which are coming up and a lot of technical news around, and we'll do a lot of gossip in this episode about various brands and what they are launching very soon. So to start with, we are going to talk about a very interesting and a popular handset which is the talk of the town these days. That is yes, you guessed it right, guys. It is the Redmi Note 7. We've been hearing about Redmi Note 7, a lot of tweets, teasers, leaks have been coming up since a while now. But now formally it is coming in India. We all know about it. It was to be launched in February last, but now the launch has been postponed to March first of all. Then the other thing which I want to tell you about Redmi Note 7 is, so as per Manu Kumar Jain, who is the global VP of Xiaomi, he says that this phone will be a game changer when they launch it in India. We've already seen that it has been launched in China. So the highlight of the phone is a 6.3 inches of display with a notch, and the most important thing is a 48 megapixel of rear camera. And the price, yes guys, that will be exactly, I think, the game changer in this case, because a 48 megapixel camera is supposed to be coming in a price range of around 10,500 rupees. Also, one more big thing is that Redmi Note 7 has become the most popular handset before actually being launched in India. Talking about Samsung, so Samsung Vietnam has released a teaser about Samsung Galaxy S10. This teaser has revealed many things about the phone, that it will have a 4K selfie camera, along with that wireless charging, in-display fingerprint sensor, HDR plus and super slow-mo mode. And finally, the date has also been revealed that it is coming up on 20th of February in Vietnam. Also, clashing with the launch of Samsung Galaxy S10, there is another flagship device from Xiaomi, which is Xiaomi Mi 9. And the highlight of the Xiaomi Mi 9 will be its triple rear camera placed vertically on the back and Snapdragon 855. Now coming to another news, which is about the Vivo Carnival. This carnival is from 12th to 14th February, in which you can avail heavy discounts on many handsets from Vivo, and it will run on both Amazon as well as Flipkart. You can save up to 5,600 rupees through no cost EMI and an extra 5,000 rupees by exchanging your old device. So that's it guys for this TC episode. We'll be back soon with another Tech Chats. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you liked our tech news.